Welcome back to Moto Strom, the channel where precision meets performance. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Toyota Century, a car that redefines Japanese luxury with a bold new take on elegance, technology, and craftsmanship. The Toyota Century is not just a car, it's a symbol. Traditionally the right of choice for executives and dignitaries in Japan, the Century represents the pinnacle of understated luxury. For 2025, Toyota has taken its iconic sedan and infused it with modern design and performance elements while preserving the soul of its heritage. From the outside, the 2025 Century exudes a sense of refined presence. Its exterior is bold yet elegant, with a boxy silhouette that nods to classic luxury, enhanced by sleek LED lighting, a prominent grille with chrome detailing, and sharp character lines. Toyota offers exquisite color options, including the signature Eternal Black and a new Pearl White, each requiring hours of hand polishing, emphasizing craftsmanship at its core. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that feels more like a private lounge than a car interior. Plush wool or leather seats, real wood trim, and acoustic glass ensure a serene ride. The rear seats recline, massage, and come with footrests, offering unmatched comfort. A large rear infotainment screen and dedicated climate controls cater specifically to the chauffeured experience. Under the hood, the new Century is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 plug-in hybrid system delivering smooth, silent performance while maintaining Toyota's commitment to eco-conscious engineering. It's not built for speed, it's built for grace, with a focus on quietness, comfort, and absolute control. Pricing starts around $170,000, making it one of Toyota's most exclusive offerings, and that's exactly the point. It's not mass-produced. It's not flashy. It's the ultimate expression of refined power and restraint. The 2025 Century isn't trying to compete, it stands apart. That's the story of the new Toyota Century, a car that proves luxury can be both bold and humble. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the next deep dive into automotive excellence. This is Moto Strom, drive smart, stay sharp.